Hi, my name is Maura Bain. Beautiful condo in a gorgeous setting, conveniently located in the Greenbrier area on a cul-de-sac. Open floor plan with many updates: new stainless steel refrigerator in 2022, new high-end ceiling fans with remote control, and new wood floors installed 2018. Hardwood floors on first floor. Kitchen has all stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, and wood cabinets. Condo has 2 primary bedrooms with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closets. Enclosed back patio and on a corner lot. Neutral paint throughout. Located at the end of the neighborhood, allows for plenty of parking. Water, sewage, trash, pool and ground maintenance all included in condo fee. Must see this one soon.